Hi guys! Hello mga bebs! It's me again, Adele. Ayan guys, yan. Kamusta kayo lahat? Sana okay kayo. Well, itong video na to gagawin ko lang just to share to you guys na yung hinihintay ko ay dumating na. So, I'm waiting for this maybe a week or less than a week naman. Hindi naman ganun katagal. So, I'm quite excited to share you guys that I'm going to unbox my beauty box. It came today. So, guys, excited ako kasi dumating na siya. And, ayun na nga. Kakauwi ko lang kanina. Just finished my work this morning and I had 4 hours sleep. So, I'm quite excited to show you guys what's inside in this box. So, let's do this. So, guys, ito na siya. Hindi ko na papakita yan. Yan. So, i-unbox natin. So, ito na siya, guys. Open natin. That's the box. That's the brand. So, ito na siya, guys. So, ayun na siya, guys. Ang bongga nung niya, box niya, guys. Magnetic pa. Try. Oops. Oh, taray, diba? It's really good. And then, let's open. Oops, nalaglag. So, meron tayong mascara dyan. Epic mascara, Epic 4D mascara. Open natin. Oops. Yan, open natin siya. Yan. Yan. Tapos, andito yung iba, guys. Yan. So, meron tayong mascara brown. There. Kita nyo ba? Mascara brown. Ito, ano natin. Then, mascara. Kikita nyo ba? Mascara waterproof. Sabihin ko na lang. So, yan. Epic mascara waterproof. Black. Epic mascara. Ito yung ordinary. Epic mascara. And then, yung Epic 4D nga na sinabi ko. Ito, excited akong gamitin, guys. Yan. Then, meron tayong cleaning clothes para siyang wipes. No, wipes siya. Hindi siya parang wipes talaga. So, meron tayong dalawang brush. This one is brusher brush. The other one is fluffy crease brush. So, yung mahilig kayo mag-crease, meron tayong black precision pencil. So, it's eyeliner. Crayon type daw. So, yan. Maganda yan. Meron ditong eye primer. Yan. Meron tatlong eyeshadow compact, tatlo. So, may medyo purplish, may pagka orangey, and brown. So, and then, oops, merong blusher. So, isa press blush on. Yeah, blusher. And then, merong lipstick. Liquid lipstick. Ayan, yung flash. Then, merong face primer. And then, itong tatlo dito eye compact nung tatlong eyeshadow. So, yan guys. Yan guys, I let you know that I paid for this, all of this for 69 pounds. Alright guys, 69 pounds. Yes, you heard it right, 69 pounds. And there's also a beauty oil, but it's because it's really what do you call that? Yung in demand, parang ganun. So, naubos siya agad. So, darating siya by next month pa. But I let you know kapag dumating siya. But sa 69 pounds kasama yun dito dapat. Pero dahil naubos na, ipapollow up na lang nila yun. But the rest is totally I paid for 69 pounds including with that beauty oil with this one. Epic Mascara 4D. So, sa 69, I paid Moodstruck Epic 4D and that beauty oil that I have a coupon that I will get it when the stock is already available by next month. So, the rest, all of this, the rest is just a pre on that 69 pounds. Is it a nice deal, guys? Yes or yes? Comment down below. So, yun guys. Maganda siya. I-comment ko yung ano ko dito, yung live ko. I-connect ko na lang dito para makita nyo kung anong mga itsura niyan. Binuksan ko na kasi siya, guys. Okay? So, yun. Alright, guys. So, yun. It's me again. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Hope you enjoy this beauty box unboxing by Unique. And I'm quite excited to use the product. Hopefully by Thursday, I will make a makeup thing. I don't know what will be my outcome. But I will try to use all of this product. But of course, I don't have foundation and the rest. But I'll try my best to use all of the products that I got from that 69 pounds, guys. I'm quite excited. Hope you are excited also. And if you're interested to where I get it, I can put the link on my description when I upload this. This beauty box is available until this month because this company normally has a monthly thing. Every month they have a different kind of discounts and that you can avail like this. That's why I didn't hesitate to order, because on that 69 pounds you just basically pay for 2 products. That's what I'm keep telling, that Epic Mascara 4D and that and then the other one is the beauty oil. And yes, the rest feels like it's all free na. So yes, comment down below if it's a nice deal, and if you're interested, I will leave the link on the description box so you could check out all these things. Alright guys, thank you so much. And again, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this, please do thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.